Hi everyone, today I wanted to share a fun and easy STEM activity that you can do with little kids that introduces biological science. To do this activity, you'll need a large plastic bottle, string, scissors, and a jug of water. You will also need soil or peat or cotton wool if you'd like it to be soil-free. We decided to use peat for ours. The first step is to poke a small hole in the lid of the bottle and put a string through it. You will need to put a knot to make sure that the string will not fall through. The string also needs to be long enough on both sides of the lid. You'll need to cut the bottle in half and fill the bottom half of the bottle with water. Place the top half of the bottle upside down inside the bottom half of the bottle. Fill the top with either soil, peat, or cotton wool. Then add some seeds. We use mung beans because they germinate really fast. The seeds germinated after a few days and we could see roots growing longer and longer. It was great that the kids could see the root system and shoots growing at the same time. This was such a fun project and it sparked a lot of interesting discussions about the different things plants need to grow and thrive. We talked about the capillary action of water and the capillary action of plants and why roots grow down and shoots go up. We also talked about the special chemical in roots called auxin that directs them to grow down towards the water. This really provided a great opportunity to introduce a little bit of garden science.